Hey guys, so i-try natin no yung early withdrawals dito kay Dollar Beans. So here's my account with $40 capital and meron siyang meron siyang 6 referrals. So I'm earning Dollar Beans as a reward. So it means habang dumadami yung beans natin, yan yung nagge-generate sa atin ng USDT. So 10,000 USDT, 10,000 beans is equivalent to 1 USDT. So it means that I have 80,892 bean rewards here and ang value niyan is $8.80. Okay? So, since my last eat or last withdrawals, nakalagay naman dito, no, time passed since last eat. So, 2 days and 20 hours. So, almost 3 days. Okay? In just $40 capital, ito na yung earnings. Okay? So, ngayon, i-try natin yung early withdrawals na sinasabi. So, na-explain ko naman sa inyo guys, no? It's part of the anti-drain mechanism ng project. So, it means kapag nag-withdraw tayo, early withdrawals, merong charges no, na napupunta pabalik sa contract. So, it means big help yon to sustain the contract. Okay? So, good features yan. So, we're earning 3.5% per day, basically. So, ngayon, pag mag-try tayong mag-withdraw, okay, sabi dun sa white paper, early withdrawals is like more than 50% nung earnings natin ay na-charge, alright, or nadideduct dun sa total profit at bumabalik yon dito sa contract. So, let's see how that works. Okay, so, ibig lang sabihin nun guys, instead of 3.5% yung earnings natin, so magiging something like 1% or more. Okay, so tingnan natin kung magkano. Okay, so magwi-withdraw tayo ng 80,892 na beans, which is equivalent to $8.8. Okay, so let's try to withdraw. But before that, let's check my balance here. USDT is, ayan, I only have 0.09 USDT. Okay? So, sige, try natin yung withdraw. Ayan. Ang pag-withdraw dito, i-click lang natin yung eat beans. So, lahat ng beans na yan ay mawi-withdraw natin. Okay? And bibigyan tayo ng earnings na USDT. So, let's try the withdrawals now. Let's click the eat beans. Ayan. Tapos, guys, tingnan nyo yung network fee natin. Diba? Napakaliit lang. Kaya, whether we're compounding or withdrawing, hindi tayo ma-charge ng malaking gas fee. So, good thing nasa OPBNB network. Okay, so click na natin yung confirm. And let's wait until it's completed. Ayun, so, ayan, meron na lang na 7.89 na beans. Ibig sabihin na withdraw na natin. Okay, tignan natin ngayon. Dito, and let's refresh. So, ganito talaga sa OPBNB, no? When we're transacting USDT, medyo mabagal siya, no? Yung USDT. Pero kung BNB yan, mabilis lang siya. So, puntahan muna natin ulit yung browser. Ayan. And let's check here, dito sa BSC Scan. Tingnan natin. So, ito, 1 minute ago, meron ng transaction, no? Ayan. And, yun, ibig sabihin nito, in yung nakalagay, ibig sabihin, part of our withdrawals ay napunta pabalik dito sa contract, 'di ba? So, in yung nakalagay, dapat out, 'di ba? So, yung out is withdrawals natin yun. Okay? So, let's see. Here, tingnan natin. Ayan, 1 minute ago. Alright, so, okay, so ang na-withdraw lang guys is 2.30. Ayan, 2.30. Let's see. Okay, so ito yung babalik sa contract, yung $5. So it means guys, kapag nag-early withdraw tayo, yung $5, which is 75%, babalik sa contract. Okay? And then, ito lang yung na-withdraw natin, earnings for 2 days. Ayan, 2.30 USDT. Okay? So, kasama pa yung, yung referrals natin. So, guys, ang good thing dito is, okay, kailangan lang natin na i-keep yung ating mga beans dito. Keep on rebaking. Sabi ko nga guys, for the next how many days? Like in a week, pwede tayong mag-withdraw ng one time lang. So, hindi pa natin na-try yung 7 days. Okay? So, on 7th day, pwede tayong mag-withdraw. Kasi nakalagay naman dito guys, malinaw, no, na sabi niya, there is a tax. Okay? Where is it? Yan. There is a tax on early withdrawals. Ayan. So, depending on the amount of USDT na nandun daw sa pool. Okay? So, since it's, kakalaunch pa lang ni Dollar Beans, di ba? So, basically, wala pa tayong 3 days. So, January 11. So, 13 pa lang ngayon, 12, 13. So, 2 days pa lang siya, guys. Okay? Medyo nag-testing kasi ako, syempre, first na deposit to, test deposit. So, before launch, naglagay na ako ng $40. So, ganun pala, guys. In 2 days, kapag nag-withdraw ka agad, ang matatax sa atin is nasa 70%. Sabihin na natin 69% yun yung nakita ko sa contract. Okay? Pero, merong additional 5%, di ba, yung charge, yung withdrawal fee. So, total of 74%. Okay? So, hindi natin maano na eksakto kasi, sige, try natin 74%. Ayan, 2.28 USDT, which is nasa ganyan nga yung nandun sa sa contract. So, avoid natin na mag-withdraw agad, guys. Okay? Avoid natin na mag-withdraw agad. Okay? Ang benefit naman ng compounding or nagre-rebate tayo is dumadagdag yung mga beans. Okay? Nanganganak yung beans. Dumadagdag yun sa earnings natin. So, every 10,000 beans na na-generate dito is equivalent to $1. Kasi guys, no, ma-overpay si Dollar Beans kung katulad nun, $8 and $8.8 yung earnings in just 2 days for $40 na kapital. 'Di ba? So, ma-overpay yung project. So, ngayon, ang ginawa ni Dollar Beans, naglagay siya ng anti-drain mechanism. Yun nga, yung system na gano'n, na kapag nag-withdraw ka ng early, so, yung 70%, 74%, babalik sa contract. So, parang dinonate mo lang yun sa contract. Okay? So, yun. Kailangan lang natin, guys, na right strategy lang, guys. Okay? So, now, after testing this system, okay, para lang maano kayo, guys, ma-advise kayo ng maaga. Kasi pag nag-withdraw nga kayo, so, yun. Hindi naman tayo lugi, guys, no? Kasi, kumbaga, nag-earn pa rin tayo ng $2 something. So, hindi na napupunta no sa creator or sa developer or sa akin. So, babalik lang yan sa contract. So, yun yung special features ni Dollar Beans. So, to avoid that, kung ayaw mo namang maging donator no sa contract, avoid natin yung early withdrawals. So, sabi nga dun sa dashboard, okay, habang tumatagal yung ating invest, or habang hindi tayo nagwi-withdraw, ayun, nalalesen yung tax na pwedeng mabawas sa sa earnings natin. So, yan, I'm so excited about this one. Mas maganda yon kaysa naman dun sa mga previous projects natin, no, ang laki nga ng kinikita, pero sino nagbe-benefit? Yung mga yung mga referrers, 'di ba? Syempre, laki ng earnings sa commission. Tapos yung mga creators and marketers, kasi syempre yung percentage of the profits, ayun nga, direct na dinededuct dun sa contract. So, nagsisuffer yung contract. So, dito guys, this way, mas masusustain yung contract, yung pool balance, and yung project. So, it's up to us na lang, 'di ba? So, kung gagawin naman natin yung compounding, so it means lalaki nga yung earnings natin, pero at least nasusustain yung contract balance, 'di ba? So instead of people are withdrawing early, laging withdraw, yun yung nagko-cause ng contract drained. So mapipigilan yun, 'di ba? Yun, and then yeah, so let's try to share the business or the project. So ito guys yung exciting and difference no ni Dollar Beans sa other projects. So I hope na gets niyo yun guys and nakita niyo yung advantage nito. So yeah, and also this way, ayan, nakita niyo na guys yung system. So na-advise na kayo agad. And this is a long-term project. Okay? So that's all for now, and I'll keep you posted and updated again. So let's keep in touch. I'll see you again in the next one. Happy earnings. Bye-bye.